So the internet has changed a lot since Twitter introduced hashtags back in 2007. I'm not even sure. It's been a while. And also between different social platforms, hashtagging is different. Twitter now it's not so good to put 15 hashtags on a post. The recommended is 1 to 3. But on Instagram or TikTok, it's a lot different. You can hashtag video and photo type content a lot better than you can let's say on Twitter. So let's look at some of the best ways that you can take advantage of hashtagging this year. So before we get started, I want to tell you about an exclusive group of entrepreneurs that I'm a part of. Go and check the link in the description below. You definitely want to check that out. According to Later.com, which is a post scheduling service, a post with at least one Instagram hashtag averages 12.6% more engagement than posts without a hashtag. Okay, so it's definitely important to have a hashtag strategy. So let's take a look at how we can do that. If you go over to righttag.com, and I'll put the link in the description, there is an option here to look at various hashtags and how that may relate to your business. So green ones mean that there's good traffic to it. Blue ones mean that there's okay traffic to it. You'll get some seen over time, and then they have some Instagram only hashtags. And then if you go down here, and I just picked out video editing. We go to hashtag, and then we can click on like relevant hashtags that are often seen with that hashtag. So we click on video production, video marketing, and then you kind of get into different hashtags that could be grouped. There's other tools as well. We'll get into some of those in a minute. But one of the other ways you can simply do this is going to Instagram, typing in hashtag video editing, and then scrolling down, and then you could select a similar or the same actually, and just go to some of these and kind of see what before and after, cinematographers, different things like that, and get ideas for hashtags that way. And then I put them on a sheet, and I typically look at the hashtags in here, and I'll make a green list and a blue list, and then that way I can make sure every post has some green ones in it and some blue ones. That way the post is still seen over time. There's some other options. Influencer Marketing Hub has some hashtags you can check out there. Also, there is a TikTok, hashtags.com. So you can put in video editing and search, and it will give you some ideas. And then I found this one too just now. And this one is tophashtags.com, and you can go through. It'll give you different indicators for how many, well, in this case, billions or millions of posts use any individual hashtag. And there's quite a bit of a list here, and I guess it just works its way down in volume. So go and check those out, and definitely build a hashtag strategy. Make sure you keep your buyer personas in mind when you're doing this. What are they looking for? But a lot of people have already done some of the research, so you definitely want to know like what the volume of a hashtag is before you use it. You don't want to put a bunch of irrelevant hashtags in there. So having a good solid strategy based on volume and data that comes from some of these resources will really help you. Hey, before you go, make sure you check that link in the description below for that elite entrepreneur group that I told you about at the beginning of the video. You do not want to miss that. Go check it out.